Hello everyone, Vũ here. Here is Wetland National Park in Vietnam. It's named Tram Chim at Đồng Tháp Province, Mekong Delta. I am here today for birding and just I hope to capture some endemic species. If my lucky run, I love to capture some rare species. That will be amazing. This is Ranger Station next to the canal inside wetland. They had coffee with relaxed hammock for visitors. While exploring around, my friend told me there are red book species land nearby. Wow! They take me by boat to that side. Along the way, encounter a large group of little erect Hassan stockheads. This is noon. They are too far. This stores a mid-air right raising into the visual long tail side. Dear raw bear rice. We are not cook this. This is not rice that we eat. Wow, landscape human gods. The birds so smart. They keep flying way out of reach. No portrait capture today for this wildlife camera, guys. More challenge in this shallow wetland is keep the footage stabilized while shooting video on small boat. My strategy is have from accompany steady the boat by hold to gripping spine crust, kind of crash that tone. It works some way. Raw bear rice. Deer play for the fish, hound for the snail. Those are food for the birds. Then, in the state of hot air distortion, there are group of large birds can sight from far. Though mantis too, red bull species, one of top target in protection list of this wetland. There are around 80 birds in front of us. Gotcha! It's my day! There is nowhere to hide. We just keep trying, push both move forward. The birds know very shy. They can fly anytime. I did hope to have some cool backlight capture, but hey, whatever I had today, that's so good. Amazing time. Hey, the bird is carved sun bar. Look like some kung fu move. First time for me, it capture, slowly move forward, everybody silent. Hold breath, hold the boat steady by grab the brown bear right, then enjoy the kung fu show. Below the water are various of fish, now food for those birds. See a giant cloud create crissay above us. It has some kind of silent space conflict. They are touching and send the fish. They are hunting. They throw the rice, tall rice to catch fish. This dude seems love his kung fu move. shallow wetland conflict happen. Team of water buffalo incoming. This animal known as submarine, as it can hold breath and die in the water for a long time. I don't know that their tail can be a cooling system like that. Oh, I see some now. Food are good in this area. They keep trying feeding. Chim Painted Stork don't know much about their arrival, the water buffalo. It's a long line of water buffalo that only with long lens. I cannot capture the whole herd. Oh, look at me. That buffalo so gorgeous. A fox that can't move. That horn looks terrific. The calf line is younger, I guess. I love that pink tail area. If I can capture the birds closer, full detail, better light, and their stunning portrait, I hope for next time. I got my lucky today. That the victory move, no doubt. The feeding side capture it. Water buffalo 1, Painted Stork 0. I hope you are enjoying the video as much as I am enjoying wildlife filming and editing into this small story. Thank you for your viewing. See you next time.